Hi there, welcome to our channel. So rumors about the upcoming LG Rollable are starting to pile up. This will be a side-rolling display phone that will transform into a tablet when the screen is stretched on the sides. LG already sells rollable OLED TVs commercially, and now it looks like the phone is next in line. It will reportedly be called LG Rollable or LG Slide and is being developed under LG's Explorer project. This project is designed to offer a place for the company to explore ways to breathe new life into what makes a smartphone. A sliding phone would certainly seem to fit that bill. And while the launch still seems afar, probably in the month of May, tipster Tron has poured tons of details about the highly anticipated smartphone, and this time he's revealed the price. As per the tipster, the LG Rollable smartphone could be priced at $2,359. An expensive price tag that in most countries sails far past the asking price of other foldables. Apart from the price, some specs of the phone have additionally been leaked, which we have already mentioned in our previous video. So if you are aware of the specs, then skip the video or else continue watching. The LG Rollable could feature a maximum display size of 7.4 inches. In phone mode, it will go up to a resolution of 2428 by 1080 pixels and 20:9 aspect ratio. The device is also expected to pack a video mode with 16:9 aspect ratio and 2428 by 1366 pixel resolution, and in the productivity mode, LG Rollable will have 2428 by 1600 pixel with 3:2 aspect ratio. A Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset is set to power the phone with 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. The RAM specification is not yet confirmed, but the internal storage is 256 GB by default. It is said to be backed by a 4200 mAh battery, which is rather small for the display that expands up to 7.4 inches. So that's all for today, hope you enjoyed it. What are your thoughts on the price, specs and launch time frame? Do let us know via comments, and thank you for watching. Peace out.